Welcome to Learnino. Today we are going to check some questions of GK, RRB GK previous year questions, class number 3. So move on to the first question. Which city from the Harappan civilization was almost exclusively devoted to craft production, including bead making, shell cutting, metal working, seal making, and weight making? First option Mohenjo-daro. Second option Nageshwar. Third option Harappa. Fourth option Chanhudaro. So in the previous class we discussed about Chanhudaro. What is this Chanhudaro city known as? Chanhudaro is known as city without citadel. Harappa is located near Ravi River. Mohenjo-daro is known as Mound of Dead in Sindh language. Chanhudaro, this answer of this question is Chanhudaro. Option D. Chanhudaro is an archaeological site belonging to the Indus Valley civilization. This site is located 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. It was first excavated by N.G. Majumdar. Chanhudaro is excavated by N.G. Majumdar in March 1931. It was a settlement exclusively devoted to craft production, including bead making, shell cutting, metal working, etc. It is the only site of Indus Valley civilization from where carved bricks had been found. In this civilization, carved bricks have been found. Second question. In which of the following locations was Nadaraja, a stone male dancing figure discovered? A stone male dancing figure Nadaraja discovered in which city? It is in Harappa. Option C, Harappa. The male dancer's torso was obtained from Harappa is made of limestone. He is standing on the right leg and the left leg crossed in a dancing posture. This idol is considered to represent the original form of Nadaraja. Its height is 7 to 8 inches. Height of this Nadaraja is 7 to 8 inches. It is discovered from Nadaraja, discovered from Harappa. Which out of these is a Harappan site discovered in Gujarat? Balatal, Kandia, Dholavira, Manda. In Gujarat, Dholavira is found. Recently, the Harappan site Dholawada has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site in August 2021. It is situated at Ran of Kutch, Gujarat. It is the fourth site from Gujarat and 40th from India to appear in such a list. It is discovered in 1967 to 1968 by an archaeologist Jagatpati Joshi, G.P. Joshi. Dholavira is in Gujarat. It is discovered by J.P. Joshi in 1967 to 1968. Next question, which of the following site is not a part of Indus Valley civilization? Option A, Mohenjo-daro. Option B, Harappa. Option C, Lothal. Option D, Uruk. So, its answer is Uruk. The major site of Indus Valley civilization were Mohenjo-daro, Kalipengan, Harappa, Dholavira, Lothal, and Rakhigarh. While Uruk was a city of Sumerian civilization, Uruk was a city of Sumerian civilization. The early site of the Indus Valley civilization of Harappa was centered around the Indus River. So, Harappa was centered around the Indus River or Indus Valley civilization is around the Indus River. Hence, it is called Indus Valley civilization. Which of the following Indus civilization site was evidence of water reservoir? Which of the following Indus civilization site was evidence of water reservoir? Answer is Dholavira. Dholavira is located in Kutch region of Gujarat. Dholavira is situated in Gujarat. It is renowned for its water management system with a great network of stone-cut reservoirs and canals, which was vital in this rainfall deficit region. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka is famous for which of the following? Extortion, traces of painting during the Maurya dynasty, traces of sculptures of the Mughals, traces of the early Dravidian period, traces of the earliest signs of human life on the Indian subcontinent. Answer is option D, the traces of the earliest signs of human life on the Indian subcontinent. The Bhimbetka rock shelters are archaeological sites in central India and spans the prehistoric, Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods, as well as a historic period. It is located in foothills of the Vindhyan Mountains, Madhya Pradesh, on the southern edge of the central Indian plateau. Vindhya Mountains separate northern and southern India. It is included in World Heritage Site in 2003. In the rock shelters of Bhimbetka is included in the rock shelters of Bhimbetka were declared as a World Heritage Site in 2003. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka is located in Madhya Pradesh state. Dholavira, an archaeological place, is associated with the period. Dholavira is associated with the period Indus Valley. In which state is the archaeological site Sukhotada located? Sukhotada is located in Gujarat. Archaeological site which belongs to Indus Valley civilization. It is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. It was discovered by J.P. Joshi in 1964. Evidence of horse bone has been found from here. In which year did a team of German and Italian archaeologists begin surface explorations at Mohenjo-daro? It is in 1980. In the year 1980, the German and Italian archaeologists started surface exploration of Mohenjo-daro. In 1986, explorations at Harappa was made by American group, and R.S. Bist in 1990 started the Dholavira explorations. Which one of the following animal was frequently seen on the seals of the Harappan civilization? Bull. The seals of the Harappan civilization were rectangular, circular, or cylindrical, and square in shape. Animals like elephant, rhinoceros, and bulls were featured on seals. Remarkably, Harappan seals were found in the cities of Umma and Ur of Central Asia and Mesopotamia, or on the coast of Arabian Peninsula, indicating trade with Central Asia. So 10 questions completed. We will continue in next class. Thank you.